New at 4 p.m., the well-known local defense attorney Buddy Lemann has passed away. Arthur Lemann's career spanned more than 40 years. The former law professor and the magistrate judge represented a wide range of defendants, including reputed mob boss Carlos Marcello and former Louisiana Senator BB60 Rayburn. Lemann also wrote a book called The Dragon Slayer. He was 81 years old.